Tuesday. Welcome back. Happy VEDA Day 27. About to have some breakfast. I got my pancakes and bacon and also got some watermelon. I'm tired. I did not sleep real well last night, y'all. I could not fall asleep. I didn't go to bed till after 4, and then I was up this morning by like 8 o'clock. My mind was just playing tricks on me. And I realized tomorrow is 6 months since Mr. passed away. And it's a Wednesday tomorrow, so it's like the same day of the week and everything. I don't know. I was thinking about him a lot last night. I just could not get any rest. But I am going to make the best of today. And, yeah, that's all I can do, right? So I will be back. Hi. Excuse me. Can you say hi? Say hi to the people. No. Not your dad. Say hi, vlog. What you doing?
Oh, I didn't hear you say that. You said okay, bye.
Drew. Hey, Jessica.
Seaweed salad.
She trying to stand up. Hey, girl, you be walking this week.
But she won't stand on the floor because it's too hard.
She thinks she gonna fall.
Stand up.
She said, I don't want to. Look, see, that's what I'm saying, how she feel the grass. She's like, what is this stuff?
Yeah.
You can cut the grass. You pull up one little string at a time. What's this one doing?
Make sure you check her for those tips and stuff.
Tell them what you about to do. I said tell them what you about to do.
I'm gonna do a backflip.
Go ahead. What, you gonna run and do it? Oh, be careful. Yeah, he gonna break his arms.
Hey.
And he tried to do a front flip. Ouch. You're crazy. Nice. And you still don't want to do gymnastics? Because this is what you're going to do in gymnastics. Yeah, I think we're going to do gymnastics.
Okay.
Because that was cool. He would. He just don't want to do nothing.
And you got a good upper strength, too.
Mommy.
And then you got this one
Mommy.
eating grass.
Here, look. The flower.
It feels so good out here, y'all. It's like
Mommy.
70 something degrees right now. Yes, darling. And it's gonna be like 80, high 80s tomorrow. So we're gonna have a picnic out here. Good job. Let me see you do a backflip without the thing.
I can't do that.
Do it on the swing. Use the swing and do it.
I don't know how to do it on the backflip.
Like, go back on the swing. Mama used to do that. I can't do nothing no more. I can't. Yeah, I used to. Yeah, hold on to that and go back. Yep. Hey. Yeah, we doing gymnastics, y'all. First he kept saying, no, I don't want to do gymnastics.
Look at you, baby.
But that's all he do. He be backflipping on the bed and trying to teach himself how to backflip and stuff. So all he does is flip. He need to do gymnastics. Because he don't want to do flag football. 1 minute he do, 1 minute he don't. Then he wanted to do soccer, but I couldn't find...
That's what I gotta do is kick ball.
I couldn't find anything for soccer. So He need to do something.
Mommy, did that is okay for me?
Pull herself right up. Can't eat grass.
Drew, what are you doing? Huh? Girl, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? You need a diaper change. She look like a real country bumpkin.
Her leg strength is really good to just be standing, pulling herself up like that from that position.
Mm-hmm. She just don't like the feeling of the floor or the grass when she stand up. Cause she'll stand up for a long time on the bed, and as soon as you put her on the floor, she be like, I'm gonna hurt myself.
Oh,
Drew. Hey, Boo Boo. Say hi.
it's so nice outside.
Drew.
How much fiber is in grass? Because I can't keep digging in your mouth. I'm fighting. So thank you. No. Just feel it. You gotta do all the extra stuff.
Mm-hmm. She like, nah, I'm gonna eat it.
I'm just gonna eat it. Freak it. You'll be pooping grass for 2 days.
Jump, jump, jump. Get it. Yay, get it. Yay, jump, 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 jump. Yep.
You heard that, dog?
Jump.
He can't reach the top. Now you doing the most.
You're too short.
No, your hands barely even reach.
Hey.
Almost. Hey guys. So I'm back home. I've been home for a while actually. I just been laying down. Me not sleeping last night just kind of took its toll on me. After I left Deja's house, I was door dashing for a bit. It was weird because it was busy, but not like, there was a lot of traffic today. So I felt like I was doing more trying to get there than I was actually getting orders. So I did like 4 orders and I stopped because it was doing too much for me. And I was just getting tired. So now I'm about to eat a leftover piece of chicken from last night. Trying to debate if I want to work on some orders. I might wait till tomorrow. The girl who I'm doing the mask for, the TikTok, she needs a few more masks, and now she wants shirts for her and the mom, the dad, and the brother of the birthday girl. So she just dropped off some stuff for that, and so I might work on that. But I'm tired, so I think I'm gonna just lay it down and I'll work on it tomorrow. She doesn't need it till later, till the weekend, so I can do it tomorrow. So I really doubt anything else is gonna happen. Although I might, if I get some energy, I'm gonna go down and do the plant, replant Mr. plant. But it really just depends if I get any energy. So we shall see.